Fabiano Santos, and I'm thrilled to be showcasing as a demo artist at the Florida Watercolor Society convention. During my demo, I will dive into the art of portrait painting, share insights and how I select subjects, models, play with light, compositions, and how I create my color palette. I will also unveil some nifty tricks and tips I pick up along my artistic journey, along with what works wonders and what to avoid, at least for me. Here's a promise. You will walk away either with a deeper understanding of my watercolor technique or a sprinkle of Portuguese, given my Brazilian roots. Don't be worried about my accent, it adds character, right? Join us for an engaging section at the event. Can't wait to connect and share with you all. Muito obrigado, and I'll see you there.